Yes, now I can hear you. Yes.
All right, fine, fine. I said, welcome to Clippingo, and my name is Diksha.
Thank you, Diksha. My name is
Yeah.
Neetu Vishwakarma.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Neetu Vishwakarma and I am from Lucknow, UP. And
Okay.
I am preparing for the job teaching examinations.
Which job are you preparing for?
I am preparing for job examinations that as like competitive examinations, as the teaching examinations and other examinations too.
All right. Okay. So, what have you done your graduation in?
I have done my graduation in English, political science, and defense.
Is it like a collective subject, or are they like
This
different
set
subjects?
of subjects are required in
Okay.
graduation.
English, political science.
Yeah, and defense.
All right. And the entrance exam, you said it is for what purpose exactly?
Which examination?
Which entrance exam are you trying to crack?
I have tried many examinations as KVS, Super TET, AWES. Teaching examinations are these. These are the teaching examinations.
Okay, for the post of professors.
So for the post of teacher, yes, TVT English professors and the TGT trained graduate teachers, and for the primary teacher,
All right.
college teacher, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. So, why you want to work on your what communication skills? Hello?
Yes, I want to.
Yeah, yeah, say.
Yes, I want to improve my English communication because I have to face many interviews in future related to my job. So I wanted to improve my. And for
So till
and
now,
I have two kids also,
yeah,
so I
yeah, go
wanted
ahead,
to
say.
teach. I wanted to teach them also.
Teach, teach whom?
Ma'am, as I have two kids also, so I wanted to work on my communication so that I may able to make them teach also
Okay,
as,
you're able to teach them as well.
as well. Yes.
Okay, all right, that's fantastic. So, how many interviews have you been to?
So ma'am, I have not been through any, but I have. There are one interview on two, between 2 to 5 February.
Okay, you are going to be going for your first interviews from 2nd to 5th of February.
Yes.
All right. So, hope for the best then. All the best for the interviews.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So, uh, let me give you a small topic. Let's see if you can talk on that topic. Okay, that way it will help me to analyze a bit of your communication skills, what all stuff. Uh,
Yes. Yes.
so, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. So, the topic is hmm, what can the topic be? Do you know cooking?
Yeah, there is some network issue. Yes. Now I can.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I used to cook daily at home.
Which is the favorite, which is the dish that you like to cook the most?
Mm, I like to cook sweets, something sweets like kheer, some puddings, you can say.
All right. Can you tell me the recipe of cooking?
Yes, I can.
That?
I I use first of all I use I have to I I must have milk, and after that the ingredients of this recipe needs required that milk, after that rice, sugar, and the elaichi, kesar, and first of all we have to pour all milk in a vessel on the heat. Once milk start boiling, we put we what to say we wash the rice, and after that we pour into the milk, and we uh, stir for some time, and the gas flame will be slow. After some time we will again stir and cover it with a plate or anything, and when we see the rice, um, we can touch the we can try we will check the rice to press the rice, and after that we feel that it is cooked or not. Once it cooks, we use to um, we can pour elaichi. First of all, we have to crush elaichi and then pour it into, and after that we can after and then we should off the gas, and after that we according to our taste we can pour sugar, and we can decorate it with the some dry fruits and kesar,
All right.
and now it is
Okay.
ready for serve.
Okay. So, firstly, Neetu, uh,
Yes.
when we use the word pour, it is usually for liquids. All right, you pour milk, you pour water. It is not something for like solid substances like elaichi or else like sugar. For
So
that, you
what
do not
we said,
pour.
hmm,
You say put, or
put.
else you put sugar in the bowl of milk, or else you add sugar to the milk, or else add cardamom.
So we
That's
can
what.
use put for solid any solid material.
For any solid material, you do not use pour. You use either add, since we are talking about recipes, you either say
Yes,
add
add.
ingredients to this and that.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
And pour is only for liquids. So if in case take a utensil, pour 1 glass of milk in that, or else 1.5 glass of milk in that. Okay, milk is liquid. So for that you use pour. You do not use pour for solid substances. Okay. And second thing is like
Yes.
let's give you a feedback of like what you need to be working on. You need to do a lot of work on your communication. You need to work on your vocabulary.
Yes.
You need to work on your formation of sentences, also on your grammar. All right, tenses, articles, and these all you need to be working on.
Vocab, and I have to work on vocab and sentence.
Formation
Yes,
of sentences,
I asked
also
that
grammar.
I have to work on vocab and sentence also grammar. Yes.
Okay, so what can you do for like your
If
grammar?
someone asked me to write down, hmm,
Tell
if someone asks me to write, I can write, but when it comes to speak, I there are lots of mistakes I have done.
yeah, of course. Like I figured out the mistakes. So basically, see, you need to work in these areas. So for that, what you can do is like read more, all right, and practice more. Read more, practice more. These are the two stuff that you can do. Reading will help you with your tenses, articles, and vocabulary, also formation of sentences, because usually reading they give you proper sentences, how the sentences are formed, and etc. All right, and practice on yourself. The more you practice, the better it will be. The more you speak in English, the better it will be.
But a little bit, but there is some network issue.
Yes, I can see that you are facing a network issue. All right. Read more, practice more. The more you speak in English, the better it will be for you. If you are reading, whatever you read, make sure that you read it out loud.
Loudly, yes.
Yes.
I have
Also,
to
for
read loudly.
yes, you have to read loudly. Also, for grammar part, watch YouTube videos in regards to grammar. You can look for tenses, articles, active passive voices. indirect, direct speech. All right. Hello. I was saying, can you hear me?
Now I can.
Yeah. So
Yes.
basically,
Yes.
watch YouTube videos for grammar.
Yes.
All right. Just look at the rules and regulations to be followed for grammar. Rest all, you have to practice more often. Speak with your friends, speak with your family members in English, and start thinking in English so as to start speaking in English. All right. These are the few stuff that you can do. Also, if in case you have time, you can start watching YouTube videos or else any particular series in English.
Mm.
All right. These are the few stuff that you can do initially. You'll be
Yes.
needing working on to be fluent, but uh, you can start with these basic stuff.
Yes. I will.
All right. And you want to add something more, ask or say anything more?
No, that's enough for today. The session is enough. I think it was 15 minutes.
Yes. Session is for 15 minutes. It ends in 15 minutes.
Yes. Actually, I don't know how to use this app, so I where to increase the time. I don't know. Then I select that.
The demos are for 15 minutes only, but if in case you go for subscription, they give you a plan. They themselves they allot the timing for you. If you in case you want 25 minutes or 1 hour whatsoever, so they allot the time for you. You do not choose. You just tell them that we want this amount of time sessions. So they'll tell you, and also they'll explain you the plans, how the plans are.
Yes, I wanted to subscribe.
Okay. Then get back to the administrators. They'll let you know.
From where I can select?
How did you come to know about the app?
I come to know on the YouTube videos.
How
I
did you? After this, you'll get a subscription mail. You'll get a message or something in the same app for subscription.
yes, okay.
Okay, hopefully. Or okay.
I know.
All
In the
right.
app, everything is there. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Chalo. It was nice talking to you, Neetu.
Me too. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.